gonna introduce you to the Pileated Woodpecker. Facts, they have a sponge in their heads, so they won't get any forceful attacks when they drill in trees. Second, 2 toes on the front and 2 toes on the back to help them balance on trees. 3, anchor-like tail to hook onto trees. They have special small barbs that you can't see in their feathers. They hook onto the tree trunk, and if the woodpecker falls and the claws don't grab them, the tail does. It can't handle all the woodpecker's weight, but the woodpecker's legs will grab soon. 4, super strong beak. They crush through tree bark. And number 5, 4 feet tongue. It wraps all around their skull. And number 6, they have feathers on their nostrils so a bark doesn't go in. It's a useful thing to do when you're doing bark realities. Diet: beetles, grubs, and other insects. Habitat: forests of North America. Color: red, blue, gray, and black. And lastly, the meaning. It has a crown on its head, and the pileated means crown. So it means crowned woodpecker. Bye-bye.